Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Now let's unlock the screen by entering the PIN, and once you unlock the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it. And here look for the option called the system. And once you find it, select it. And one of the options will be reset. Select it, tap on reset, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And wait until the resetting process is complete, which takes a few seconds, I would say. Like this. Once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.